Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafty Situations. Today we are going to be making a faux wood pumpkin. We will begin with a felt pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. Also any box that you happen to have laying around the house. We are going to use our pumpkin as a stencil and trace it onto the box. Make sure you get all the little cutouts, all the little details. Then we are going to cut out our pumpkin. Next, you want to paint the cardboard brown. I chose dark chocolate. I used a brush to get the brush strokes. Next, I used white, and I just did a dry brush technique just to give it that faux wood look, like it had been just whitewashed. Next, I wanted to light my pumpkin, so I'm going to just tape these little rice lights to the back of the pumpkin, just poking the little rice lights right through each cutout. The back side looks a little crazy, but no one will ever see it. And here's the front side. As you see, you have a really cute faux wood lighted pumpkin. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the faux wood pumpkin.